Hey guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. In this video, I want to show you my brand new smoker from InGrill. These guys are made in Colombia. They've got smokers, they've got little grills, really cool products. Check them out. Let's put it together. Let's go. Don't forget, let's put on our safety glasses. All right, let's see what's in the box, guys. All right, so the feet already come assembled. It's got your user manual and a grill. We've got a lid. It's got some of the packing still on it. This is what's going to hold your meat while you're cooking. And then we've got our box of accessories. So essentially, this is your grill. All right, let's unpack it and see what we have to put together. This is going to be your hook to remove the hook. You've got some handles. This is your tool to pick up the grill grate. Comes with hooks, a thermometer, some assembly screws. And then this is going to be your cover for your temperature control for the top. Here's your charcoal basket. It's welded together. Feels solid. Again, this is the InGrill smoker barrel. This is the basic model. The assembly part is pretty easy. You got your base, your charcoal bucket, the ring, the grill, the barrel. Now let's put on the handle. Okay, first thing I want to do is remove this packaging. This from when it was together, from when it was milled. It's a nice thickness. It's got a nice thickness to it. Feels sturdy. Okay, I like that. In the bag of hardware, it comes with your assembly tools. So you've got your Allen wrench, you've got your screws, your nuts, and you've got a wrench to tighten it all up. Nice touch. All right, I forgot. Let's set a timer. We've got our handle. We're going to need 2 screws. All right. So the screw goes in from the top into the handle. Screw goes into the top into the handle. And then you put on the nut. And we'll do the same for the other side. So now we'll tighten it. And then let's tighten the other side. Okay. Your lid is assembled. Now we will install the handle. Come around to this side, tighten that, tighten the other side. All right, let's put on the other handle. We're almost done, guys. Let's see. Line them up, slide them in, then screw the nuts on. Let's tighten these screws. All right, guys. So literally less than 10 minutes to put this guy together. This ring just slides in and it's held by this divot. This goes directly on that part. Okay, so this is the ring that holds on your hook and you're going to suspend your meat from. Right. So these guys right there, they'll hang on like that. And this just goes right on top whenever you want to use it. This tool will help you remove the grill grate. This tool helps remove the hook. All right, guys, so here it is, right? The legs are welded on. You want to cover this with some aluminum foil. Place this down to catch the ashes that fall through here. Place that on top. Fill it with your charcoal. Place the barrel on top. So we've got our InGrill smoker put together. It took just 2 tools that were included with the smoker. Let's get you some measurements. So this thing comes in at 26 inches tall from the floor up. It is about 15.5 inches wide. So it's a small, compact size, but you'll be able to cook enough food for 25 people on here. It's a lot of food, guys. We've got our lump mesquite and we've got some charcoal briquettes. Which one is your favorite one to use? Let me know in the comments. I'm excited to try it out. I'm going to go to the store, buy some meat, some vegetables. All right, so pork chops. So you've got some center cut loin chops here. And then you have the pork ribeye chops. All of this red part is way more flavorful, tender, more marbled than this part over here. When I buy these pork chops, I'm really looking for the pork ribeye chop. And that's what these guys are over here. And you can see it even through the seasoning. They have these Brazilian barbecue chops. But see, I'm going to dig down and I'm going to get these pork ribeye chops.
Let's take these home and cook them. They're going to be delicious. Took these home, cooked them, recorded another video. I'll post that one later. For now, we'll stop here at just the assembly.
All right, let's give this a try. Okay, we're gonna cut into this pork chop. Let's give it some of that sauce. The creaminess matched with that smokiness. This is fantastic. The meat got a nice smoky flavor to it. The texture is real soft. I really like it with that red pepper aioli. Same thing with that sausage. This cook was really pretty easy. We lit the fire, let it ash over, put our food in the cooker, controlled the temperature with the top vent, and I feel very happy about this cook. Can I stand behind Ingrills? Yes. Chef's Backyard, go check out Ingrills. I'll leave a link in the video description below. You can pick yours up. I may make a commission on it, but only if you buy one. As always, thanks for stopping by here at the Chef's Backyard. Happy dance.